going to be doing the famous baking soda volcano experiment. So, the materials you'll need for today: baking soda, a mixer, an empty cup, food coloring, water, liquid soap, and vinegar. You'll also need a toy volcano set. If you don't have, you can just make out of cardboard or other materials. So the first step, you're gonna need to pour in your baking soda into the cup. And then put your food coloring. The next step is to put your liquid soap into the cup. And then the water. Then you're gonna have to mix it with your mixer. Okay, now the next step is to put the cup inside the volcano and then put it back. And the final step is to pour in your vinegar. Whoa! That's cool!